Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I will show you how to install Android Studio, the latest version of Android Studio on your computer. So let's begin. Select on this link, then this Android Studio website will open. And I will already download that Android file on my desktop, and I'll show you how to download from that website. Click on this link and then go to the link last, then select this and download Android Studio Electric. Okay, so this Android Studio, the latest version, the electric emulate is quite better uh, than the previous one. And here are the Windows 64-bit version, and you can also check for the Mac here, and the Linux and the Chrome OS. Okay, but I'll choose the Windows one. I'm selecting the path here, download. Then after downloading, then come to the installation. Automatically it will be open as a installation process, or you can right click and select the run as administrator. Then this page will open. Then next, then choose the standard or custom. I'll choose the custom one. Then select the folder path and then click next. Then just click on SDK platform also, or you can select the virtual device if available, but I will leave it as it is. Android emulator in an accelerated performance mode, so size will be required. The RAM size should be 4 GB or more than 4 GB, and I will select the accept and then finish, and then okay, now it is finished. Then click on finish, and here Choose the color theme according to your interest. I'll choose the Dracula. Okay, the same thing. Okay, I'll choose the ID also 14. Okay. Now adjust color as red, green, region, directory, deficiency. Sorry, key map will be Windows. Now in the plugin section, you can add any plugins you want for the for the development purpose. This plugin will help you to ease your Android application model uh, to become a very full-fledged or very complicated you wanted. Okay, now I'll show you create a new project on the Android system. Okay, I'll select, if you want to select from the scratch, then you will go to the empty activity. I'll choose login activity, then click on next. Then you can name the application. I'll write as E to my is to. Yeah, it will be okay. And choose the use legacy Android support libraries, and on the directory I'm selecting the directory I want to use as a path to understand where my folder and my project are being located. Okay, now I'm just now choose as Java, or if you know the Kotlin, then you can choose that and select this use legacy for the libraries purposes, and click, and minimum SDK will be Lollipop 1 5.1 version, because it will be easy to. Now it is done, finish, and it will generate the application. Here are the project, and it will take some time to load all those directory files and gridles. Okay, so here it is. You can check the app directory, so that you can see what are the uh, inbuilt uh, files and storage in the application. simply go to the device where you can choose the proper emulator for the Android application on visual mode, so you can understand how the application is look like. Whatever you want to use as your emulator, whether it is a Pixel 2 with Nexus, I'll select the Pixel one, and if it is not downloaded, it will be visible as a download options. Then you can download that, and if already downloaded, then just click next and finish, and let the Gradle will be it will take some time. Okay, now it is open. I'll just maximize it. Okay, station run. So it is the first home page or first landing page, you can say. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this, then please don't forget to subscribe and